What's foreground and background? As artists, we create illusions every time we paint a 3D object on a flat surface. Understanding foreground and background helps artists create a sense of depth and realism. The foreground of a painting is what appears first in the frame and is closest to the viewer. For example, the foreground in this painting appears in the lower half of the frame. These objects appear larger because they are closer. The background of a painting represents what is further off in the distance. How much we see of the background depends on the angle of view. The background appears in the upper half of this image. Notice how the trees in the distance are darker, less detailed, and smaller than those in the foreground. To summarize, foreground represents objects and space closest to the viewer. The background represents objects in space that are farthest from the viewer. Please be sure to like and subscribe below for more lessons in art and painting for beginners. Thanks for watching!